The Bosch 12-volt max lithium-ion 2-speed pocket driver. Big power in a small package. Best in class compact size and lightest weight. Powerful 2-speed gearbox. 265 inch-pounds of max torque. Universal 1/4-inch hex bit holder. 20+ 1 clutch settings. Powerful LED work light. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size. A tool for any job. The power you need. The 12-volt max lithium-ion 2-speed pocket driver.
Bosch. Invented for life.
The new Karcher KB5 cordless sweeper is the perfect solution to that everyday tidy. Suitable for both hard floors and carpets, the KB5 is lightweight and easy to use all round the home. The automatic start-stop system and flexible cleaning joint makes the KB5 simple to use and perfect for getting right up to the edge and into all those hard-to-reach places. With a large capacity dust tray, the KB5 is ideal for picking up fine dirt and larger items such as children's food or pet hair. Once finished, the dust tray is easy to empty, and the simple charging solution means it's always ready to use. The Karcher KB5 comes with a 2-year warranty.
Looking for a powerful polisher that can do more at an automotive detail shop? Look no further than the 5-inch dual-action Random Orbit polisher. Engineered with dual action, the polisher is capable of either random orbit with forced rotation or random orbit with free rotation. By selecting the desired mode, Combined with a 7.8 amp motor and a 7/32 orbit diameter, this polisher is powerful and versatile, no matter what the application. For increased power, the polisher's equipped with a speed control dial, which enables the operator to match the speed of the application. And of course, all
Coghlan's new deluxe pop-up trash can is great for organizing and tidying messy campsites, RVs, and garages. While compact for storage in smaller tight spaces, it expands in seconds, and with 3 integrated stakeout grommets along the bottom edge, it also features 4 alligator-style clips on the top inside edge to secure the bag. A fully zippered lid keeps everything in its place when not in use, and securely sewn webbed handles make transport when full a breeze. Additionally, there are 2 clear pockets, one to keep extra garbage bags handy, and the other to label contents for storage at the end of a season. No trip to the campground is complete without Coghlan's new deluxe pop-up trash can. Coghlan's makes the outdoors more comfortable and enjoyable with over 500 accessories for camping, hiking, fishing, and RVing. For more information, go to www.coghlans.com.
Before starting your cordless string trimmer, make sure you have eye protection, ear protection, a good pair of gloves, and closed-toed shoes. Now you're ready to work. Grab the battery off the charger and click it into place. Hold the string trimmer so the line is at your desired cutting height and pull the trigger. For the best results, move the string trimmer in a side-to-side motion. If the line stops cutting, simply use the bump feed feature on the bottom of the trimmer head to advance more line. By following these tips and safety precautions, your lawn will have a professional, manicured look in no time.